Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on Confirm Edit on release in Fortnite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the side menu, then go down and select the gear icon to open the settings. If it doesn't open automatically, select Settings again. Next, go over to the game settings. This is the controller icon with a gear behind it. From here, head to the side menu and select Building. After selecting Building, then select Editing just below it. Once inside, scroll across until you find the Auto Confirm Edits option. Use the arrows to choose your preferred option. Edit will auto-confirm edits, Reset will auto-confirm resets, and both will do both actions. I personally like to use Edit, but you might prefer both depending on your playstyle. Additionally, there are simple edit options that let you quickly edit a building piece just by looking at it. Turn these on if you'd like, then scroll down and click the Apply button. If you're using a controller, you'll need to press the respective Apply button for your device. Once you've applied the settings, close the menu, and that's it. So that's basically how you can turn on Confirm Edit on release in Fortnite. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.